Okay, episode 2. That cliffhanger though. Ugh. First survivor! Yo, I need to learn this. Oh. Bet that's crispy. Is he gonna pass or is he not? It's so hard to say. He must pass. He must. Okay, so he got deferred. And that just means that he is kind of like on the wait list. If they don't have 20 contestants after this round, then he is like one of the persons that they could choose from. Wait, one piece of steak? That's it? Okay. I'm definitely not rooting for him, but I didn't say that. Interesting. Okay, special cooking technique, but I don't know. I would say I'm not rooting for the olive oil pasta guy. And definitely no. If he passes, let's go. Oh my gosh, really? What? As long as he passed and not the other one. Okay, olive oil guy passes. Please don't let him pass. Yes! Yes! What? Definitely entertaining. That looks good, but this also looks really good. Wow. I mean, definitely entertaining. Not sure if that will help it make it taste better. Oh my gosh. But he was really fun though, I have to say. I hope she passes because this looks really intriguing. It looks good. We'll see. It looks kind of plain though. Oh, sounds good. Yay! Please pass him. Yay! I hope he passes. Oh, he's totally gonna pass. Yes. That looks good. Gosh, I want some right now. Mapo tofu? Oh, yay! Oh, oh, wow. Will there be a bias? Who knows? So pretty, but tiny. My guess is he'll pass. Oh, he's totally gonna pass. Like, he ate all of it. Okay. Come on, just say it. He's gonna pass. This is killing me. I just want to fast forward. Yay! Is this the first one from this guy? Alright, Chef On's apprentice judged by this guy. I should really know his name, but it looks too fancy. I don't know. I think he's gonna pass, but personally, this would probably cost $200 and leave me hangry. Skip. Okay. Yep, survives. Alright, good. So this next group they're focusing on are the elder ladies. I hope they all pass, but I don't think they will all pass. Ooh, that was good. Unfortunately, I don't know if she'll pass. I don't think so. Ooh, this judge. But I love her. Oh. He's eating a lot though. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Her face. Whoa. She made all this. Okay. I want to go to her place. Oh, she survives. Okay. Okay, Hamburg lady made it. Oh no. Oh, deferring again. A person who cooks out of comic books? What? Whoa. Interesting. Oh, so the onion's just for... So he took the onion out and he threw in some stir-fry thing. Dude, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Yo. I hope he passes. So humbling. I had to rewind to show you guys. He's showed emotion. Oh my gosh. Sugar on top, interesting. I would probably not enjoy it. Yay! Wow. Okay, Dave Chang's name is Meatmaster. I don't know about how I feel about this. I think it's not that special. Okay, but he survives. All right. Vegetarian sashimi? Interesting. Wow, look at all those pots he has to manage. Looks pretty though. Okay, look at all the judges just rush to see the vegan sushi. It's really pretty though. Oh.